Welcome to the Tripe table and Drybar base assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the spider, the booker rod, the column, the leg junction and the feet. You will also find 6 hex head screws, 2 washers and 2 nuts. You will need an impact drill, a 17mm extended socket piece that is a minimum of 75mm long, a 17mm spanner and thread lock. Firstly, apply thread lock to the end of the booker rod with the nut and place a washer on the end. Thread the booker rod through the hole in the middle of the spider and screw a nut flush on the end. Place the spider face down and use your fingers and the spanner to tighten the nut. Grab the column, place it over the booker rod and line up the tabs. Next, grab the leg junction, remove the cap, place it over the booker rod and line it up with the column tabs. Apply thread lock to the end of the booker rod, place a washer and nut on the end and tighten with the drill. Position the feet over the end of each junction and line up the holes. Lastly, apply thread lock to the holes on the feet and use the drill to tighten the 6 hex head screws. The Tripe is an outdoor base manufactured by Scab Design, Italy. It is available in a single or double pedestal table height as well as a drybar to match. They feature a steel powder-coated slimline design available in white or anthracite, making it ideal for hospitality or office applications.